to cook up a world-class choir and orchestra concert, there are a few key ingredients you must not forget. First, you're going to need to gather 709 choir members, freshly picked, 10 brass players for some zest, a generous helping of 122 strings players, a dash of 50 percussion players for some crunch, 33 woodwind players to keep it light and airy, and then, of course, you'll need a few conductors to keep the kitchen in order. Remember to prepare your musical sheets, seasoned with personal notes and stickers. And now, don't forget, secret step. The rehearsals are an integral part ahead of the concert days. This is where we let the music simmer. One must not miss the prep work, or forget their kitchen tools on the big day. Mix it all together, and voila! I present to you the 2026 ESF Primary Choir and Orchestra Concert. The sky's the limit. Bon appetit!
The stage is yours. Thank you.